guys, welcome back to my channel. And I just wanted to first say thank you to everyone who have been subscribing to my channel lately and watching my videos. I truly appreciate the support. Today's video is going to be another protective style. As you can see, my hair is in cornrows, and I had some extension added to it. I did not do the cornrow myself. A good friend of mine went ahead and installed the cornrow for me. This is the hairstyle that I'm going for. This is the box, if you can see that. Let me get closer. It is, well, I don't see no name on there. Oh, Zuri at the very top, if you can see that. I only bought one pack because, well, it says on here one pack is enough, so I guess one pack is enough. We're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so I just got done unraveling the hair. This is what it's looking like, and I'm gonna be starting from the back, going forward. Alright, you guys, so I'm done installing the crochet. So all I'm gonna be doing is play with it and frame it to my face. So let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see. There are some parts that are longer than others. It is layered. So what I'm gonna be doing is just let me back up so you guys can see, so I can I'm just cutting and layering, putting some more layers on there, so that way it could be to my liking. As you can see, the front is a bit shorter. I like the way it frames my face. I did not want all of them to be the same length and just kind of looking like a curly bob, but you can see like these are shorter and they get longer as they gradually go down. So I'm just cutting a little bit more, making sure that the bottom is even. It is shedding a little bit, and I feel like it's because I did not tie them up too tight, because the cornrows were already tight and I didn't want to put so much tension on my scalp. I did put some oil in between the cornrows, and throughout the remaining of keeping this hairstyle, I'm gonna keep putting oil in between my scalp to promote hair growth and prevent dryness. So this is the end result. Let me zoom back in so you guys can see. I'm noticing a little bit of a freeze going on over here. I might cut some pieces to, all right, there you go, to take care of that. And some more going on over here, some frizzy ends, just cutting that off. All right, so Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. I really did. I really do enjoy this hairstyle. I'm about to leave it in for about a month or so, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and let me know how you guys like this video. If you guys have any other protective style recommendation for me. Until then, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.